Did you know that a typical restaurant point-of-sale system is outdated and is costing you money? What if there is a point-of-sale system that would help you generate revenue instead of costing you money every month? What if there is a restaurant solution that combines all your critical apps into a single platform? Introducing Milagro Smart POS, a solution that intelligently gathers customer transactional data that will undoubtedly increase your sales and profit. Outsmart your competitors by using Milagro Smart POS. Yes, Milagro Smart POS will handle all of your restaurant's typical functions, such as easily update menu and pricing from anywhere, be always online with 100% uptime guarantee, deploy a new site in a few hours, and time tracking, e-tip, and e-signature, all in one app. But most importantly, Milagro Smart POS fills the gaps where others fall short, such as collecting all customers' transactional data for personalized and effective marketing, combining 15 critical functions into a single app. All of these to make your life easier. Milagro Smart POS. It's the smartest point of sale for every type of restaurant. Make the single most important investment in your restaurant business by switching to Milagro's restaurant operating system. Check out our website to learn more and supercharge your sales using Milagro.